Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. Today we are exploring best car diagnostic tools. If you want to understand your car better and solve problems without guessing, this compact but powerful tool might surprise you. Let's see what makes it a smart choice for drivers and car lovers. Let's get started. The product we are featuring is the ThinkTool Mini 2 Car Diagnostic Tools. The ThinkTool Mini 2 is a compact yet advanced Bluetooth-enabled OBD2 scanner that gives you lifetime free access to full system diagnostics. That means you can scan and monitor almost every important system in your vehicle without paying extra subscription fees. One of the biggest advantages of the ThinkTool Mini 2 Car Diagnostic Tools is its full system coverage. It works with major systems like the engine, transmission, ABS, airbag, ESP, TPMS, SRS, BMS, steering, air conditioning, MO, and more. Instead of only reading basic engine codes, this tool goes deeper. It helps you detect problems across the entire vehicle, giving you a clear picture of what is going on. The Auto VIN feature makes things even easier. It quickly identifies your vehicle information automatically, so you do not have to enter details manually. This saves time and ensures accurate diagnostics right from the start. When it comes to safety systems, the ThinkTool Mini 2 really stands out. It can check the ABS system to read trouble codes, show live data, and alert you to braking-related issues. It also scans the SRS system to detect airbag faults, helping you fix problems before they become serious safety risks. For the transmission, it evaluates diagnostic codes and checks if the vehicle's speed and load match the transmission output. This helps prevent long-term damage and costly repairs. The ThinkTool Mini 2 Car Diagnostic Tools also supports the tire pressure monitoring system. It verifies that the ECU stored ID matches the tire pressure sensor IDs, ensuring smooth communication and accurate tire data. This improves driving safety and performance. Beyond diagnostics, this tool offers 28 maintenance reset services. These include oil reset, brake reset, BMS reset, MO functions, inject coating, SAS reset, TPMS reset, AFS adjustments, and more. These features allow you to perform essential maintenance tasks directly from the device. For example, you can reset the oil light after service, perform brake bleeding, or handle steering angle adjustments. It makes routine servicing much more convenient. Even with all these professional-level features, the ThinkTool Mini 2 remains easy to use. The wireless Bluetooth connection keeps things simple and clutter-free, while delivering powerful performance in a small device. If you want better control over your vehicle's health, this tool could be a game-changer. Check the price link in the description to learn more. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more helpful product videos. See you in the next one.